Yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going out fishing and we're gonna catch some fish. My daughter didn't want to go turkey hunting today. She don't want to go turkey hunting the rest of this month. I'm not gonna force her to go. She doesn't want to go. So what I'm going to do is we are gonna go fishing. We're gonna do a catch, clean, cook, and we're gonna do fish tacos tomorrow. So we're gonna catch fish today, catch fish tomorrow, and we're gonna do a catch, clean, cook. So you stay tuned for that, guys. We got tons of things going on today. So I'm gonna go collect eggs. So we're gonna go do that. I'm gonna go do dishes. So we're gonna do that. She wanted to show you her fish, but she got a little bit too close.
Oh, sorry.
But anyways,
That good.
This is our fish she made.
And hot.
So she likes to show things. But anyways, we're gonna be doing that, and just stay tuned for that, guys. So we will see you guys out by the lake. I'm gonna do dishes first, and then we'll see you guys out by the lake. See you then, guys. Hey guys, we are here. We're at our fishing spot. We are gonna see what we can get, guys, for the catch, clean, cook.
My podcast is doing it.
Stay tuned for that. We're gonna see what we can get. Bluegill, perch, bass,
Daddy,
whatever.
watch out.
No, I gotta fix it. Leave it. Come on. Yes, it's tangled around here. Boy, you're not getting it. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. The phone kinda acting up, but she knocked it over and it went in the water. And then it wouldn't let me because it's an emergency stuff. Gotta watch what you're doing, still, because I don't want the phone to act up.
We do have rice.
I know, so, but that's not the point. You gotta watch what you're doing, okay? Remember, bring the thing up.
What?
Bring the thing up.
I did.
No, bring the bail up. And then go back like this and cast out.
Mosquito.
Just come on.
Mosquito.
Yeah, I want an emergency thing there. Great.
I hope that's okay.
He's gonna dial it in 5 seconds. Dad stopped it. But luckily Dad stopped it.
It looks like you have a real fish eye. You can find the water.
Guys, I know.
That way the fish.
Careful, Daddy's phone. Nick, don't grab it. I gotta end it too.
Do you have the remote?
Yes, I got it in the pocket. Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna take and end it here. We will see you guys
At home.
at home. Yeah, like she said. We'll see you guys at home.
It's not stopped.
What? Sorry about that, guys. Like I said, we'll see you guys at home.
But take.
Hey, guys.
It's at.
Yesterday we did not catch anything. We didn't catch nothing at all. So, we might go out tonight. Don't know. Not for sure. Might go out fishing to try to get some fish over at K&K boat launch.
No.
So, we're gonna try that. I'm gonna go get the ingredients for fish tacos. So, stay tuned for that, guys. We'll see you guys then.
Fishing. After fishing.
Yeah. Hey guys, since we ain't going fishing today, let's go collect some eggs. So come with me, guys, as we go collect the eggs from my chickens. See if we get any hissers. Let's go. We shall go, guys. Walk with me. Go see if we can get. Let's go see if we can't get us. See what the eggs are, guys. I had a dog bark at me. Oh my goodness. Gonna collect the eggs from our birds. I would go fishing, but nah. I'll do it tomorrow morning. You'll see us going fishing tomorrow morning, guys. I gotta turn you guys towards me. The heck. But yeah. We'll see that tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow morning be a lot different. Yeah, the bro's not home. Nope. They're still not home. Spending time with my old family friend. So let's go see what we got in the egg. Or see how many eggs we got. See what we got in the nesting boxes today, guys. Turkey fed itself in the nesting box because there's a turkey egg in the nesting box yesterday, so let's see. Follow me, guys, into the great unknown, and let's see how many eggs we get. Summer is coming, guys. It's still spring. But as I said before in the other videos, the kid wants to go fishing the rest of turkey season and the rest of the season. So, because it's almost over with anyways, and she wants to wait. So, we'll wait. We're going to check the birds. Going to see. Oh, and I gotta show you guys something. Show y'all what I built. I mean, if you haven't seen it yet, you guys probably have seen it on the shorts. But yeah, that's your water. Yeah, you guys have seen it. Oh, Scoobers. Hi, Mr. Scooby. I'm Mr. Scooby. Yeah, he likes to yell at me. He yells at me all the time. Hey, Bob. Ooh. We got us a puddle, guys. I'm gonna have to go around. Get to the eggs. Check the turkey coop first. Then the bantam coop. Oh. They're all over, guys. Oh crap. They're all over. Wondering what I'm doing. Yeah, it's rent time. It's rent collecting time, guys. Oh, really? Alright. Anything over here? Yep. We got a turk. Got a turk eggs. One turk egg, guys. Just one. Ooh, nice and warm too. It's a warm butt nugget. Warm big butt nugget. Alright, that's... Oh crap, I almost tripped. Ah, this is so muddy. And bang eggs. Got 4. And we gotta feed them. So let's do that first, guys. Let's feed the bantams first. They need food. Probably gonna need water too. I'm not sure. No, they got water. They're good in water. Just gotta get them food. Come on, out the way. Come on. Oh, mister, calm down. Mr. Red, going off. Oh, you guys got food. I don't got scratch. They want scratch, they want treats. I ain't got none. Wasn't able to get none. I was able to get their feed, but not scratch. And probably could have gotten some scratch, but I'm gonna save that for another time. But they're waiting here. They got food. I got 2 feeders for them. So I don't know. They got bins for their feed. Big old bins for their feed, guys. There's one. I don't know if you can see it. There's one right there. And I got this big one. Gotta fill up. So I'm gonna go bring this to them and then we'll go collect eggs. Bring this to the bantams. Come on, out of my way. You guys gotta get out of the way. Come on. Oh, Diamond Dutches are doing good. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're all doing good. The Jersey Giants, they're all doing good. So they're all moving around. They're able to eat. It'll take them a little longer to grow. Hey, get back. One tried to fly out. Come on, move your head. Sheesh. There, I got food. I gotta go back for the eggs. Just gotta go collect eggs. Really? Really? Red, come on. Come on, Red. Come on, Red. What you doing? He's talking, guys. He's talking to y'all. He's giving me his 2 senses. Yeah. That boy, give me his 2 senses. Because the other ones are going off. Telling me what's up. Ugh. Yeah, there's a tree growing by the shed. I gotta get it taken care of. I don't know what he's gonna want to do with it. And then they got their own little forest growing over here. They got shade. Natural shade. Surprised those trees are surviving. They kind of ate some of the leaves. But yeah, I'm surprised those are surviving. But they're good. Chickens are good with them. I got shade trees. Oh, yep. I'm gonna have me a hisser. Just wait, guys. She's gonna hiss. So we got one more turkey egg. So there's 2 turkey eggs. We got one right here. So there's 1 chicken. There's one right here. 2 chicken. I'll put this up here because we got more chicken. We got 3 chicken. We got 4 chicken. 6 chicken. There we go. 7 chicken. Miss Hisser. You guys want to see Miss Hisser? There she is. Ugh. There's another turkey. There's 3 turkey. How many did I say? 7 chicken. There's 8 chicken. That one's hissing at me. She thinks she can get after Dad. She knows who's boss. Get out of here. Get. I got bugs. Get. See, they listen. But Mom, when Mom comes in here, nah. Try to come back in. Oh, there's 9, 10, 12, 13 chicken. Got 13 chicken eggs, guys. 13 chicken, 4 turkey, and 4 bantam. So that's our haul for today. That's a rant. Can't wait for the Diamond Duchess to start giving their rent. Colored eggs. Oh, I like colored eggs. Yeah, see the frisbee she was talking about. Somebody threw a frisbee in here for frisbee golf. Cool. I got a free frisbee golf. Nice. Nah, I don't really play it. I can sell it though. But no, chickens like it. Leave it for them. They like it here. Might bring some bugs up. But yeah, everybody's doing good. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6. Probably got all 7 still. And then 3 of mine, of the Mystic Marians, and then 4 Diamond Duchess. But, yep. So, we got done collecting the rent. I will let you guys go for today. And we will see you guys in the morning. Got one, guys. Oh, crap. Going under the dock. See? Got him, guys. Oh, got a little pike. I wasn't recording when I caught him, but I didn't bring my stand thing for it, so. But I got him, guys. Got a little guy. I gotta grab my things. Just a little guy, guys. Just a small one. But you know what? It's something. Didn't get skunked. Here, hold this though, like this. Don't press nothing. Don't get.
What?
Get your fingers away from that. Just hold it on the side. Just don't press nothing. Oh, get your hand out of the camera. Just watch out for this right here, because if you click that, it'll go off. Did it already? No. Okay.
I've got my pole right there.
Keep it on the fish, okay?
Okay.
That way they can see it. Oh, crap. Hey. Watch out of this, buddy. Oh.
Oh.
Alright.
What a beautiful fish. Daddy, is that a carp? Yep.
There we go, guys. Got a pike. Little guy, but I mean, it's something. So, Go release him. I know he's not 24.
I would have released him.
We'll just measure him just because.
Daddy,
Hey. Watch it, dude.
I could hold it.
Alright.
I could hold it.
That's what happens when you don't bring your stuff. Yeah, he's only 19, guys. Oh, wait, hold on. I want to show them. So, I'm going to show them. Show you guys. There's only.
Woo! Holy smoke.
Hey. Fish.
I hold it down.
See? Only
I
19,
just held
guys.
it down, guys.
Only 19 inches.
Let
Needs
it go.
5 more. No, Daddy will let him go. Because you got to be good release. Let's get a good release on this guy, guys. On this guy, guys. Oh, hold on, guys. There he goes. Alright, guys. I'm up to set you guys right here by the bag. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Gotta find a better spot. Move this stuff out of the way.
I got seaweed. Yeah.
Not
That's what it is.
There's stuff mixed up in there.
It's technically seaweed.
Alright, I'm gonna get that worm, guys. I'll be back out there. Move. Nope.
What?
Alright. Leave it.
Wait, can you see us?
that we're gonna try the spot. I told you about the beach spot. Alright guys, we'll be right back. We're gonna head to another spot. So I'll see you guys at the next spot if we catch anything. If not, see you guys back at the house.
If you do catch stuff with you.
Well guys, went out fishing. Didn't catch nothing. Was gonna make it a video, but if I'm not catching nothing, I ain't making it a video. So, that's what happens. Plans get changed. It was gonna be catch, clean, cook, but you get changed when you don't catch fish.
I already showed it.
So,
We have it.
But, yep, so that'll end the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.
Later.
'Cause these are my people, and this is my life.